Hi, welcome to ISE. We're glad to be here in the Christie booth. I'm John Dixon, Director of Product Management, and we are demonstrating our latest in the MicroTile LED product family. The MicroTile LED product is a very high-performance, flexible LED solution that meets the needs of the most demanding customers in the world. Our unique solution has a very flexible and adaptable mounting solution that allows you to install it in virtually any array, including curves and corners. We're here demonstrating that at the show. We're also demonstrating the extreme bandwidth capabilities of the MicroTile system that allows you to input 4K up to 120 Hertz and really display a very high resolution at high bit depth. We're also demonstrating a technology demonstration of a 1mm pitch LED. So this is a new module that allows us to have even finer resolution to the MicroTile family, or upgrade an existing MicroTile video wall that might be out there and wanting higher resolution. Of course, the MicroTile is also very famous for its capability to install easily and to really optimize the service and solution component of it. If you'd like more information about Christie MicroTiles, you can go to christiedigital.com.